In this video we will learn how the temperature gauge works in any vehicle. For this, we will first need a universal temperature gauge meter. The temperature gauge we have here works on 24 volts. In it we will have to connect 3 wires, one ground, one 24-volt positive and one wire will be connected to the sensor. You will see its pin connections. Now we connect the blue wire to 24 volts. Now we connect the black wire after the blue wire for ground. Connect the green wire to the sensor. This is a temperature sensor we have. When it is installed in the car, it is already grounded to the body of the car, but here we have attached a black wire to it to ground it, which we will connect directly to the negative point of the battery. Now we will connect the black wire from the wires on the gauge to the negative terminal of the battery and the blue wire to the positive terminal of the battery. We strip the other end of the green wire, attach it to the temperature sensor, and tighten its nut. Now to test it, we take a cup of hot water, dip the sensor in it and see if our temperature gauge works or not. You can see that our temperature gauge is slowly going up. Now that it has risen to the temperature of the water, we heat it with a lighter and see how it works at higher temperatures. I turn up the flame of the lighter a little. We can see how our temperature gauge is moving upwards as the lighter flame gets hotter. I hope by now you have understood how the temperature gauge in our car works. If you liked my video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. From now on, I will keep uploading videos in both English and Urdu languages.